Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna see a very simple program, a very basic program where all the programmers start their journey in the world of programming. So let's see what Python compiler to use. You can use anything you're comfortable with. It can be online compilers. Maybe you can use the Python 3 which the developers released in their website or PyCharm. Anything is fine. So let's see our first program. First program, everyone uses this function called print. I use this compiler called onlinegdb.com. You can also download this Python from their official website, but I think this is more than enough for us. So first program is print function. I'll explain what's the print function in the next slide. First, let's type out our code and now run it. I hope you're also typing along with it. Maybe you can pause the video, take a compiler, and type the statement. Well, now, congrats. Now you are a programmer now, right? So let's see what print function is. So you can click on this run button. And it displays the contents. Easy. That's all. Print function is nothing but it's a function to display contents on the screen. It can be results of a function, it can be an arithmetic operation, or it can be strings, or it can be a name. Anything you want to display something on the screen, you can use the function print. It's a inbuilt predefined function which is already written by the Python developers. You don't have to worry about it. All you have to do is use the word print. Well done. That was your first program, and just a short video, just seeing the first program which you can type in a compiler just to get introduced into it. In next video, we'll see data types in Python like int, float, arrays, and concepts and theories behind it, and we'll also see more examples about it and code it live on the compiler. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification. So that as soon as I post the video, you'll get notified. And that's all. Till then.